Are you into making your own homemade sourdough pasta or regular egg pasta? This holder has come in so handy. Instead of laying my pasta all over my counter, I can now use a holder like this. I just did a 3-cup batch of pasta, which is about enough for 4 servings. And this is the 12 rack. And so you can see with my fettuccine pieces, I mean, some of them are a little bit longer. This is only my 3rd time of doing pasta. But it was very handy for drying. This little tool worked really great as far as, sliding it on here and off. You can use your hand too. You don't have to use that, but it is definitely handy. And then when it goes to washing this, we're just going to pull the pegs out, kind of just hand wash them. Don't submerge them in water, and then you can put it back together. Or for storing purposes, you could take it apart and just keep it in a box if you're not someone who makes pasta all the time. But this is definitely so much nicer than having it all over my counters.